And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 250. Let me show you how you can create an easy 3D text effect. We use an orange background, create a text element, and then we need to change its color, maybe to white. I use an inbuilt font Acromean variable concept, black style. Then I press Ctrl A and I center this text layer. Let me show you two ways to create this effect. First up, I copy this text element, press Ctrl J, and I make the one below invisible. The top one, I right click on it and I try to find, there it is, the blending options. Now I use the drop shadow. You want to set the blending mode to multiply, use a black color. Opacity, you want to go to like 5, maybe 10%. Distance go down to like 5, maybe up to 10. Spread should be 0 and the size, again, stay around 5 to 10. And then you adjust the angle. In our case, let us use maybe like 100 degrees. And then we confirm we are okay. Now you have to follow me a little bit. I'm going to put it on the screen as well, because you need a couple of shortkeys. First up, we press Ctrl T. This opens up the transformation for this text element, and then we use the arrow keys. And this determines where you want to put the shadow. So let me go to up one step and then left. So I press the up arrow key, then the left arrow key. Afterward, press Enter. To move on now, we simply hold Alt, Shift, and Ctrl at the same time and press T. So you need these 4 keys. Once again, Alt, Shift, Ctrl plus T, and this is going to copy your layer. And as we have moved it a little bit to the side and up, all of these copies will be moved to the side and up as well. And this is going to create this 3D effect. One of the problems with this approach is you can see at some point this is going to give you more like a step effect. So we can clearly see the copies. To get rid of that, you have to adjust the values. And that depends on the size of your text that you're using. So I think there's a way better approach. And let me show you that with the second text element that we've got. All of the shortkeys that we've used, we will use again, but this time we don't use a drop shadow. Instead, we start with color overlay. So again, right click on your text elements, use the blending options, this time color overlay, make it black. Blending mode is normal. Then copy your text elements and make the color overlay invisible. So this should make it white again. Let me rename that to white. And the one below is now black due to the color overlay. And we are on this black element. Press Ctrl T again. Now determine with the arrow keys where you want your shadow to go. So maybe one step up, one step to the left, if you want to have it to the top left. And then again, Shift, Ctrl, Alt plus T to copy it. And this adds more and more and more of these copies, which extends our 3D. Let me show you what that looks like in a different direction. We go back to the starting point, so I have to go to right and down to have it in the same position. Then we press Ctrl T. Now use maybe to the right ones and then to the bottom ones. Press Enter, and afterwards Alt Shift Ctrl plus T to copy. Do that multiple times, maybe like 20 to 40 times, that should be enough. You can see it goes now to the bottom right. Afterwards we want to group it, so I am on the top layer of these copies. I hold Shift, go to the bottom one, and then I press Ctrl G. I finally have my white element, I put it in the folder as well. And then we can right click again, use the blending options and add a drop shadow here. It's a nice little detail, and here we can adjust the angle a little bit. And this is how you can create this easy 3D text effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.